Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. Today I have my Felicity Jane Coco kit. So I want to do an unboxing with you and I'm going to get ready to work on my December daily. I have a divided container here where I'm going to unbox everything. So I thought you might want to join me with this. So let's go ahead and get started. Look at how cute this is. She included a little bell. Oh, I'm going to use this in my album. Look at this little bell and stars. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so I'll use this. Here's the card that she sends. This is Coco. We hope you love your good Christmas goodies. Take a picture and share, Felicity Jane. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this. And this is how my kit is coming. So I think I want to do the papers first. So let me move this out of the way so that I can unbox this and we'll go ahead and get started. So I am doing Allie Edwards' December Daily Prep Party and also her product play class. So I decided to get 2 of her papers because I don't know how many I'm going to need. So I'm just gonna unbox one. Oh look, and it comes with doilies. That's good. So I'm gonna have a 2 of everything and I love this paint card. I'm not sure, I'm gonna maybe punch something out of this. Not quite sure how I'm gonna use that. It comes with 2 doilies. These are about 3.5 inches. Cute. 2 3x8 cards. Oh, look at this Christmas tree. Oh, I love that. And then a Christmas list. I love that. And it says purchases made, received, wrapped, given, shipped. Okay, so there's that. And let's start with the kit. So of course there's always this one where it shows what papers are included. And I love these colors. The reds, the greens, the mints, and that floral. And I always love black and white floral. So let's look at these cardstock. I'm only gonna unbox one of them. So it comes with this mint, and this dark green, pink, and this red, this green graph with a buffalo plaid. Love these black and white flowers. I'm gonna have to fussy cut some of these out. Red and white stripe, black plaid, and green starburst, black and white bows, green and white polka dots, trees, and pink splattered. Oh, look at all these houses. That's adorable. And lattice, polka dots again, and this beautiful floral. So I'm gonna look at that. Isn't that pretty? That is gorgeous. So those are the cardstock, and I got 2 sets of those. And let's go ahead and unbox this beautiful album. I decided to get the black and white one, wrapped in tissue. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this detail work of the gold on the edges of the album. I think it's a 2-inch album and it has gold rings. And then it came with a set of page protectors. It comes with 2 3x8s, 2 of the 4 3x4s, and it comes with 2 of these, a 4x6 with 2 3x4s on the bottom. Oh, they don't have any of the 2 4x6s. Okay, good to know. And then 2 6x8s. I know I ordered more sheet protectors because I know I'm gonna use way more than this. So there's that. So I ordered another case of sheet protectors. So I'm not gonna go into this because I know I have more here at home too. So we'll put that to the side. Okay, it came with a set of alphas. Let's see, how many alphas did it come with? These are the Coco alphabets that came with the kit. It came with 1 set, but I bought 2 extra. And then I also bought the Kate glitter foams because I wanted to add some glitter. This does not come with the kit. So I'm gonna use those. It came with Coco cardstock woods, and it says Merry Christmas. Oh, and it's shadowed, so it's got the Merry and the Christmas. Let's see, I'm not going to take that out. It comes with these puffy stickers. It's got the little dates on there and then little puffy stickers there. Love that hot cocoa. Okay, let's do this now. I'm not sure what comes in this pack. pouch, but it's beautifully wrapped with this washi tape. Well, this is all the trim that comes with the kit. It comes with extra bells. There are bells here. It comes with, let's see, tassels, bows, black velvet ribbon. Okay, now say hi.
Hi.
That's Kaya. Say, my name is Kaya.
My name's Kaya.
Say, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for joining us.
Say, till next time.
Till next time.
Okay, good. And then I got black gingham, red ribbon, white with the pom-poms, white with this, what is this called? That's soft. Actually, I'm gonna put this back here. Oh, it comes with the red, what are these called again? Tassel, gold, green trim. Ooh, it looks like a wreath. Ooh, that's fun. Look at that. And then gold. Oh, that's pretty ribbon. So it comes with that. It comes with a cocoa vanilla pocket fronts. So these are all the pockets. Comes with a velvet star, gingham or buffalo plaid, black and white polka dots, and then black and white stripes. It comes with cocoa die cut shapes, and these are all the shapes that come in this kit. Isn't that pretty? So I'm gonna put those right here. Look at this big wreath. It's as big as my hand. Christmas. I always love the Coco girl. Isn't she adorable? So there's that. I ordered another one of the, I ordered 2 of the cocoa die cut shapes, so I'm gonna empty both of those in here. I didn't know how many I would need. Then it comes with the chipboard stars. I'm gonna put those right in here. When I unbox everything like this, it makes it really easy for me to use everything. And it comes with mini envelopes. Oh, that's cute. Maybe we'll do letters to Santa in here. Floral, white, polka dot, plaid, polka dot stripes. Those are cute, so I'll put that right there. I got some Coco gift tags. Oh, these are embossed. Oh, that's pretty. So these are the embossed, I don't know if you can tell. See, that has the stars, a Christmas tree, polka dot, joy, stripes, and a star. Oh, I love that. And then it also came with chipboard numbers. These are black chipboard numbers. Love these. So I'm gonna put these in this one right back here, so I know exactly where to look for these numbers when I'm ready to find them. This washi tape did not come with the kit, but I purchased this on my own, so I'll keep that there. It came with this red polka dot washi tape. That in there. It came with these gold stars. Look at how cute those are, mirrored stars. Put that right there. Came with sequins. I'm not gonna take these out, but these sequins I'm gonna use in between the page protectors, so I'm gonna keep that. I'll put that right there. Came with all of these labels, which I love. Oh, these are adhered. Oh, look, they're all different colors. Gold, gray. So I'm gonna keep these here. Came with these journaling cards. I probably should have bought another set of these. But on the back of them has some kind of graph detail, either circles, plaid, or grid. Circles or grid. But it's got this black floral, a snow globe, red and white stripes, oh what fun, library card, plaid, polka dots, more polka dots, stripes, Merry, 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 the most wonderful time of the year, and 25. So I'm gonna put those right in here. It also came with stencils. It's a star stencil, so I'll definitely be using that because I bought some mixed media to include. So that's pretty, coco stencils. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. So definitely gonna use that. It also came with the stamp set. Home for the holidays, joy, holiday traditions, memories, cozy, I believe, ho ho ho, the magic, be merry and bright. So can't wait to use that. And then it came with some cocoa vanilla acetate and vellum. I'm just gonna show it to you like this because I'm not gonna take it out of its album. Or actually I will. And I'll put them in the, it's got, isn't that pretty? Black and white plaid, or is that green plaid? Polka dots. Striped acetate, polka dot acetate. I don't know if you can see the polka dots. And then a grid acetate. So I'm gonna put these in the album. Then it also came with cardstock dividers. So let's open these up. And it's got a star, like a tab, a black and white pocket with just black and white stripes on the back, a plaid with a plaid on the back, just a plain divider. Oh, uh-oh. Is this how it works? Or is this how it works? This is how it works. There we go. A calendar. Oh, I love that. And then you can put the little puffy stickers, which were right here, all these little puffy stickers in each of the squares. That's awesome. Okay, so we have that. So I'm gonna add these to the album. I bought this separate, but it's the Cocoa Vanilla Girl. Isn't she cute? I always get the girl stamp, and so I'm gonna use her in my album. Oh, and I bought another set of labels. I do use a lot of labels when I'm doing pocket pages. If I don't use them in this album, I know I can use them on her other layouts. So I got that. And then this did not come with the kit, but I purchased this separate, a bow. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it in this album or if I'm going to use this in my planner, but I have that there as well. Maybe I should take these out of its pieces. Let's see, I want to keep this. No, I'll just keep these like this. Okay. All right, there you have it. That is my kit from Felicity Jane with all of this and these stickers. Well, thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you next time.